Hello friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today I will show you how to hide and show the object in a worksheet. Right, so let's start it from here. In this worksheet I have some objects like this rectangular shape, this square, rectangular and picture, and there's a smiley and this rectangle of different type, and let's insert some more shapes from here. Let's take this rectangle also and take some more, then insert, click, take triangle and then insert. And now if you want to hide all the objects that are available in this worksheet, not only in this sheet but also in this sheet, right? Press Ctrl 6 to hide all the objects. So all the objects which are available in this sheet or in other sheet also hides. So in this way you can hide all the objects. If you again repress this Ctrl 6, so all the objects which are hidden now these are available in this sheet, right? So in this way you can hide and show the objects of sheet, right? Control 6 to hide and to hide, Control 6. So in this way, but there is one demerit also available here in this feature. If you press Control 6 to hide all the objects, now if you go visit this insert ribbon and in this illustration group, you will find all the picture, insert picture, this online picture, shape and other is converted into the gray. So now you cannot do anything with this feature in Excel. I don't know why Microsoft have done this to for this shortcut. So let's wait for their solution. So hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching and have a great day.